much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Look at what I have. I have a farm animals bingo board, and I have an egg basket. And today we're gonna find some eggs with farm animals inside, cross them off until we find every single one, and put the eggs in here. Let's go. All right, we have to find the eggs. Oh, do you see an egg? Oh, I see it. Yeah, down there. It's the color purple. All right, here we go. I'm excited. Okay, let's take the egg, open it up. Whoa! That's not a farm animal. It's a little toy, an insect toy. All right, let's put that in here and let's find some eggs. So we haven't found any farm animals yet. That's okay. Do you see an egg? Oh, I see an egg. Do you? Yeah, up there. That egg is the color pink. Oh, all right. Oh, all right. We have a pink egg. Let me set this down. Let's open it up. Oh, yeah! We have a farm animal. Look! All right, what animal is this? Yeah, this is a cow. All right, put the cow in here, and let's cross off the cow. All right, let's see. Horse, chicken, pigs, duck, mice, sheep, cow. All right, right here, cow. So, let's cross it off. Yeah, good job. All right, we need to find some more eggs. Do you see an egg? Yeah, I see an egg. Look, it's a pink egg. Oh, look, it's a pink egg. Ooh, this is a special egg. Watch this. Whoa, that was a confetti egg. No animal in there, so we have to keep on looking. Here's an egg. This one's easy. You see it? Yeah, that is the color yellow. All right, I wonder if there's an animal inside. Yeah, an animal. Okay, what kind of animal is this? Looks like a chicken. Yeah. All right, so we have horses, chicken. All right, let's cross it off. All right, we have 1, 2 crossed off. All right, let's keep on looking. Whoa, I see another egg. Come here. Do you see it? Yeah, there it is. That egg is the color purple. All right. Let's see what this egg has inside. Ooh, this purple egg has an animal in it. Yeah, good job. All right, what animal is this? Looks like, yeah, it's a duck. Horses, pigs, duck, right there. Let's take our orange marker and cross off duck. Awesome, good job. Ooh, all right, we need to find some more eggs because we have a lot of animals to find. There's one right there. Come here. Wow, this was an easy one to find. And this egg is the color orange. All right. Whoa, interesting. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yum! No animals in there, but there is a lot of tasty candy. Put that in there. Let's go find some animals. Oh, I already see one. Do you see it? Look way over there. Yeah, a purple egg. Come on. All right, let's put my basket right here. You see it? Perfect. All right, put my marker right there. And now we can grab the purple egg. Oh, perfect. Purple egg. All right, let's open it up. Yeah, an animal. Oh, what animal is this? Oh, yeah, it's a bird. Chirp, 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 chirp. All right, we need to cross off the bird. Okay, let's find bird. Horses, pigs, mice, sheep, birds. There we go. All right, let's take our marker, and here we go. Make an X right there. Perfect. Birds are done. So, I dropped the egg. We need to continue to look and find some more eggs. Oh my! I see another one. Do you see it? Yeah, it's way over there. It's the color orange. Let's go get it. Okay, put this down right there. Oh, yes, an orange egg. All right, let's open it up. Oh yeah, I love these. So it's not an animal, but it is a parachuting toy. Let's go in the grass and throw it, okay? All right, here I go. Yeah, that was awesome. All right, let's go get some more eggs. Okay, put that right there. All right, come on. Oh, do you see what I see? Yeah, I see another egg. Good job. It's the color blue. All right, here it is. You see? Oh, yeah. Oh, another special one. Get ready. Whoa! Confetti egg. All right, come on. Oh, I see one. Yeah, it's down there. You see it? Yeah, that is the color blue. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's take it off. Ooh, it's not making any noise. Yeah! Awesome! Another animal. What animal is this? Yeah, this is a pig. All right, let's cross off the pig. Horses, pigs. Perfect. To cross it off, I love using charts and graphs, and playing bingo keeps all your animals nice and organized. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X's, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Perfect. Let's keep looking. another one. Do you see it? Yeah, over there. Yeah, this egg is the color pink. Yeah! All right, let's see what's inside. Perfect. Oh, look. Yeah, this is a mouse. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Okay, let's find mouse. Rooster, sheep, mice. Yeah, mouse and mice are the same thing, but mice means more than one mouse. So let's cross it off. There we go. Good job. Oh, do you see another egg? I do. It's really far away. And it's in the grass. Yeah, right over there. Come here. Good job. This egg is the color purple. Ooh. I wonder what's inside. All right. Oh, yeah, look. Whoa. Let's see, what animal is this? Is it a horse? Nah. A sheep? Nah. Is it a rooster? Yeah! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! I love acting like a rooster. All right, let's cross it off. Great job. All right, there we go. So we have sheep and horses left. All right, let's go. Oh, right over here. Ooh. Do you see another egg? Yeah, there's an egg right here. Perfect. This egg is the color pink. Great. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yum! Marshmallows! Oh, I'll save these for later. Right there. There you go. All right, let's go find another egg. I see another egg. Come here. Oh, perfect! Look at this egg. This egg is the color yellow. Perfect. Let's see what's inside. Hey. Whoa! A truck! Ring, 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 ring. Well, that wasn't an animal, so I think we need to go find some more eggs. Come on. I see one. Do you see it? Yeah, right here. Perfect. This egg is the color green. Whoa. No noise. Bet you know what that means. Whoa! Another animal. What animal is that? Yeah, it's a sheep. Let's cross it off. All right. Whoa, one left. Good job. We need more eggs. Oh, look. Do you see what I see? Yeah, another egg. This egg is the color green. Let's open it up. Yeah, another animal. You know what animal this is. Yeah, it's a horse. And that's the last animal on our sheet that we need. Let's check it off. Yeah, good job. We got all of the animals. Yeah, now for our prize. Great. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Looks like we have a blue and orange airplane. All right. All right, what else? Oh, an orange Jeep. Open it up. Yeah! Awesome! Ring, ring! Ring, 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 ring! Ring, ring! Ring, ring, ring! What else? Ooh, an elephant! Ooh, a dinosaur! Whoa, so cool! Another egg. Yeah, good job! Ooh, Slinky. Whoa! Ooh, a backhoe toy. And a blue race car. Wow, that was awesome!
On the farm go quack, quack. The chickens on the farm go cluck, cluck. The birds chirp, chirp while the farmer's at work. Oh, these are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds. The pigs on the farm go oink, oink. The horse on the farm goes neigh, neigh. The mice go squeak when the farmer's asleep. Oh, these are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds. The sheep on the farm go baa, baa. The cow on the farm goes moo. And the rooster wakes everyone up saying cock-a-doodle-doo. On the farm, these are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds. And the ducks quack, quack, the chickens cluck, cluck. The birds chirp, chirp while the farmer's at work. The pigs oink, oink, the horses neigh, neigh. The mice squeak, squeak, and the sheep baa, baa. And the cows moo. And the rooster wakes everyone up saying on the farm, these are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds on the farm. These are the animal sounds.
Whoa! Now that is awesome! All right. Egg pinata time! Yeah! Yeah! Good job! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I! Blippi! Good job! See you again! Bye-bye!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.